Hey guys, Justin here with the Satellite Phone Store, and today I want to talk about some products that we offer that can improve your off-the-grid living.
We carry a wide variety of EcoFlow products, but one modular power system we offer makes providing power off the grid easy and is packed full of major technology upgrades. We offer the following Supreme Kits ranging from 15 kilowatt hours, 10, 5, and 2 kilowatt hours. Each kit includes a power hub, LFP batteries, cable pack, AC/DC smart distribution panel, power kit console, battery mounting straps, an air conditioning module, and a generator. Let's look at powering a tiny home, small camper, sprinter, or RV. One of the biggest challenges with current market systems is that you need to piece everything together using different manufacturers. But with this system, it's easy to install and is all integrated. Additionally, the technology is the fastest charging and uses lithium iron phosphate batteries, making them lighter than standard batteries. This system can be used to power appliances in your off-the-grid setup. Anything from a microwave, hairdryer, to a satellite phone. Charging can be done through shore power, solar panels, which we also sell, and even the alternator in your vehicle. In the Supreme Kit, we provide a generator that will give you 3 hours of runtime to recharge the batteries when needed.
So one thing about this system that I really like is this power hub. The power hub actually is multiple units in one, which makes it really unique.
The power hub combines two MPPT solar charge controllers, one battery charger with MPPT, one DC-DC step-down converter, and an inverter charger. The control panel helps you monitor usage and charging. We also provide a highly efficient air conditioning unit with the same smart technology. Just like the modular power system and other EcoFlow products, everything can be controlled and monitored through a simple-to-use app.
So when it comes to being independent from the grid, this kit offers a great solution. If you're looking for more information or to make a purchase, please visit sat123.com.